As a city within the city, a park has a bowling alley. Used to have a movie theater, which is now style of architecture. This is Art Deco. Now the building is the Merchant. That's right, but because of the parabolic arches at the top and bottom of the building, some folks say it looks like the box your microwave Hot Pockets in, but the Hot Pocket building. The art. You look right through the building. That's because there's no walls or windows up there. Those are.
Face like Tara, dancing in that brand new Vicky. Say you need that cash tomorrow. You tripping, you the shit right now. Yeah. Are you working on some shit right now? Yeah, I'm looking for my sex. Stuck on sex.
Chicago will be. It is absolutely a city of persistence. It is a city of struggle.
We gotta continue to go forward. You know, nothing about the city's easy.
She sticks to the
Head. Alright.
behind you. He took your chip.
Definitely so different, huh?
We took an Uber here. Keep in mind, they are quick to cut someone off the road.
It's gonna look dark, but ow. There's like 10 milligrams in it. There's a pre-roll. We both split a half of it. Here, I took. You don't want to try it? Here. That's why I asked for another cup. Oh, cause you were drinking it like it was good.
I mean, everybody ain't gonna like the same shit.
I know. Size 8, biggest size, cause my hair too thick, can't fit no other hats.
Top side.
$30 or $40 right here. This one $55.
Now I hope she ain't attached, but a scope on my new strap. I can't believe it, but it's true. I just found some egg. I be cheap.
Don't be gone,
but right now,
cause I'ma be back. Y'all stay tuned for the next vlog.